Good day.
How can I help you?
Well, I've finally obtained the proper materials to upgrade my glove. I heard you're the best blacksmith around. Can you help me with it?
I'll see what I can do. Whew. That took quite a while.
Well, it looks amazing.
I am the best blacksmith around.
Well, thank you.
Good day.
Good day.
How can I help you?
Well, after months of adventuring, I finally have everything I need to upgrade my rapier here. I was hoping you could help me.
I'll see what I can do. Whew. That took quite a while.
Does this look right to you?
It absolutely does, sir.
It's just, I was expecting something, it's just a bit crude.
Sir, can you not see the jeweled encrusted hilt? A tungsten-coated blade so sharp you can shave with it. A blade like this was made for a man of your expertise. Can you not see it?
No.
Good day, sir.
Oi, blacksmith,
How can I help you?
it's time for an upgrade.
I'll see what I can do.
What's this? It's gonna be
Whew. Took quite a while.
good. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. I could take a baby's head off
Okay,
with
wait,
this.
hold on. That's what he gave you.
Yeah, I deserve it.
Look what he gave me.
You deserve it.
You did this to me.
Spectacular!
Good day.
Good day.